viewers, so let's look at this question which says 3 to the power of x plus 4 plus 3 to the power of x plus 6 is equal to 10. So we're required to find the value of x. So let's do this together. Here we're going to have 3 to the power of x plus 4 plus this, then 3, this x plus 6 is breaking it down is the same thing as saying x plus 4 plus 2. Okay, this 4 plus 2 will give us this 6, right? So this is equal to 10. Now, this is same as saying x 3 to the power of x plus 4 plus 3 to the power of x plus 4 multiplied by 3 to the power of these 2. If you look at this, it means the same thing here. If you want to simplify this, it will give us the same value here. Because when the index are the same, you pick it as 1, you pick just one of the index. And since you have multiplication, what do you do to the power? You add them. So if you simplify this, it gives us this back. So this makes this correct. So this is equal to 10. Now looking at this, we can factorize out 3x to the power of 4 here. If we do that, if you factorize 3x to the power of 4 from this first term here, we'll be left with 1 plus, if you factorize 3x to the power of x plus 4 from this second term here, we'll be left with 3 to the power of what? 2. Okay, so this is equal to 10. So we're going to have 3 to the power of x plus 4, 1 plus 3 square. 3 square means 3 times 3, which is 9. 1 plus 9 will give us 10. So this is equal to what? 10. So what we're going to do here, you see that we can divide both sides by 10. So this 10 we cancel out. 10 divided by 10 will give us 1, right? So we'll be left with 3 to the power of x plus 4 is equal to 1, right? So this one here, if you want to make the basis to be the same, we know that any number to the power of 0 gives us 1. So this means 3 to the power of x plus 4 is equal to 3 to the power of 0. 3 to the power of 0 will be what? 1, right? So now the bases are equal. We cancel out the bases. So what happens to the power? So we equate the powers. So this becomes x plus 4 is equal to 0. If you collect like terms, we will have x is equal to 0 minus 4. So that means the value of x will be equal to 0 minus 4 will give us minus 4, and this is the final answer. See you in my next video, and bye for now.